Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Have you ever had multiple scanned documents and wanted to combine them into one clean PDF file? It's actually very simple whether you're working with image files or PDF files. If you're working with image files, you can use Microsoft Word. Here's how. Open Word and drag all your scanned images into the document. Adjust their size and arrange them in the correct order. Next, go to File, click Export, and choose PDF as the output format. Just like that, your scanned images are now saved as a PDF. But if you already have multiple PDF files, you can use PDNob PDF Editor to get it done quickly and easily. The free download link is in the description. If you want to merge 2 or more PDFs into one, here's what to do. Go to Batch PDF Tools, then choose Merge under Document Processing. Next, drag and drop all the PDF files you want to combine. Once everything is added, click Merge. And just like that, your scanned documents are combined into a single PDF. Now, what if you want to rearrange the pages? Click on the Page tab at the top. Simply drag and drop the thumbnails of pages to adjust the order however you like. Finally, go to File, click Export, choose PDF, click Save, and now your PDF is ready to use. Maybe the content of this PDF doesn't fully match your needs. You might want to edit the text or replace some images. In that case, you'll need to use OCR. Here's how to do it. Click the Perform OCR option at the top, then click Perform OCR again. In just a few seconds, your scanned PDF will be converted into a fully editable document. Now you can modify text, fix errors, and add or delete content just like working in a Word file. And that's it. Quick, simple, and powerful. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.